Question number 6 from chapter 5. Prepare final account from trial balance and adjustment of Deepak as on 31st March 2015, which is given on your page number 191. This question, you can see the question is divided into the two parts. Half part is of trial balance and half is of adjustment. Before we go to the solution, we have to get ready with this specimen. Here I already made a specimen. You can see a trading account in the half part, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. I already put on with the title, with the trading account of Shri Deepak for the year ended and the profit and loss even for the balance sheet. As you can see, I already put on some entries. I always suggest to the students that before you get your question paper, get ready with the specimen as well as put on with some compulsory entries which always comes in the question. If it is come or don't come, but keep on writing. That is opening stock, purchase minus purchase written minus goods given rather than sale, sale minus sales written. Here is the one kind of formula which you have to compulsory keep there, which I already shown in the specimen. That is bad debt from the trial balance, bad debt from the adjustment plus bad debt reserve from the adjustment minus bad debt reserve from the trial balance, because after the calculation we are putting it out. Same for the balance sheet. Liability side, the capital, here one more line will come, that is plus net profit, or here plus net loss. It depends what answer you will get from the profit and loss, that you have to put on over here. Next, the debtor minus bad debt adjustment and minus bad debt reserve adjustment. Just keep it. If it is given in the question, give the entry, and if it is not given, still you can remove the amount outside. That I will show you, because in this question it is not given. So here you can see, now I will show you the trial balance. Now if you know trial balance properly, then only you will able to answer this question. That is, you can see capital and drawing, it is given together. The amount column is given and the debit side and the credit side, even the purchase sales together it is given, goods written is given together, discount is given together. In short, if I ask you that where is the capital, you must know that capital comes on the credit side and drawing comes on the debit side. Same for the purchase. Here 8 lakh is the purchase and 12,91,000 is a sales. If we talk about the goods written, it's remain opposite side. अगर purchase written हो तो वो credit side होगा and sales written हो तो debit side. So this is the sales written. Discount, you can see the both the side amount is given. You must recognize that debit side 6,000, that is discount allowed, and the credit side always remain income. So that would be discount received. Even here, debtors and creditors. Debit side remain debtors with 1,10,000 and creditors is 90,000. This is how I will show you for the next as well. But before we go with the trial balance, always remember this final account divided into the two parts. But the first step is to prepare your specimen. Second step is to solve the adjustment, and in the third step we'll solve trial balance. I'll show you. Here I am ready with the first step. I am ready with the specimen. Now I'll show you the second step, that is to solve adjustment. You can see the first adjustment, goods of rupees 12,000 lost due to thief. Now here goods is going out rather than sale. In the first entry, that is goods of rupees 12,000 lost due to thief, always remember adjustment entry will come twicely, means we will put twice adjustment entries, and from the trial balance only once. First one is the goods of 12,000 lost due to thief. Now here goods is going out rather than sale, and at the same side we also getting a loss. So first we'll put entry in the trading account, because goods is going rather than sale, lost due to thief. Amount is 12,000, so we'll keep 12,000. One more entry will come, that we got the loss. So here I am going to put $12,000. As I told you before, adjustment की दो entry रहेगी. Okay, moving to the next. Goods of rupees 15,000 distributed as sample. Now why we distribute goods as sample to make an advertisement. So this will be 15,000 will count as an advertisement expense, and at the same time goods is going out rather than sale. So here goods, and I am writing in short, advertisement expense amount is 15,000, and over here advertisement expense will come in the selling and distribution. So I am writing over here advertisement expense with the amount 15,000. Next, goods of rupees 16,000 burned by fire. Now again goods is going rather than sale, and at the same time we also getting loss due to burn by fire. To loss due to fire amount 16,000, and over here I'm writing in short with the goods and putting fire amount 16,000. Goods of rupees 1500 given as charity. So this will be counted as a charity expense, and the same time goods is going out. So here I am going to write goods, and in bracket I will write down charity with the amount 1,500, and charity expense I will write over here charity expense with the amount 1,500. As you can see, for the adjustment I wrote amount once over here and once over here. Always remember, whenever you are solving an adjustment, it will come to the twice entry. Moving to the third step. Now we'll take the amount from the trial balance and put them into their proper place. First one is the capital and drawing. Capital, here you can see the amount is showing 3 lakh. So come to the balance sheet liability side. Capital amount is 3 lakh. Drawing was 18,000. So keep the 18,000 in the drawing. Next, adjusted purchase and sales. Purchase is 8 lakh and sales is 12 lakh 91,000. So purchase and sales remain at the trading account. Come in the purchase and write down the amount 8 lakh. For sales 12 lakh 91,000. For the goods written, the written amount is given only on the debit side. It means it's your sales written. So no purchase written is given, so you can put there is no any amount, and over here we have to write down sales written amount, that is 50,000. Discount 6,000 and 8,000. We'll take the discount amount and keep into their position like this. Discount, and I am writing both the side. As I told you, trial balance and profit and loss, it's quite similar. Expense remain on the debit side and income remains on the credit side. So take the amount from the place and put into the same place. Like 6,000 अपने debit से लिया तो आपको 6,000 debit में ही रखना है, and 8,000 on the credit side. Next is rent. Rent must be an expense, so it kept shown amount on the debit side. If it's shown in the income side, though this also pass on the credit side, but here it is shown on the debit side, तो आपको same side जाके move करना है. And here I will show you. I am writing the next only. Rent, that is amount 7,000. Next is debtors and creditors. As I told you before, debtors is 1,10,000, that is on the debit side. So debtors and creditors will be moved over here. Debtors asset side रहता है और creditors liability side. तो पहले डेप्टर का अमाउंट रख देते हैं 1,10,000, एंड बिकॉज वी हैव सम कैलकुलेशन सो आई एम कीपिंग इनसाइड, एंड क्रेडिटर we don't have any calculation, so directly you can take it out 90,000 in the amount column. Again commission is also one of the expense as is shown in the debit side 8,000. so profit and loss account में आके आपको commission दिखना है और उसी साइड पे उसका अमाउंट रख देना है, दैट इज 8,000. नेक्स्ट bills. Now here you can see the bills is written and the amount is given on the both the side, debit and credit. Always remember, debit side जो होता है वो bills receivable रहेगा और जो credit side है वो bills payable. And these are going to move same as a debtors and creditors. Like ये 20,000 bills receivable है तो move करेगा on the asset side. Bills receivable that is 20,000, and bills payable amount 30,000 will move on the liability side. Cash balance and bank balance, that it would be moved on the asset side. So come to the asset side and write down cash balance, bank balance with the amount 20,000 and 90,000. Building, furniture, machinery, these all are the asset. So take the amount and keep on going on the asset side, because it's a non-current asset. We'll write from the beginning. Building, that is 1,50,000. Furniture, that is 40,000. Machinery, 3 lakh. So here I finish building, furniture and machinery. Wages 60,000 will come on the trading account. For wages we will take the amount outside directly, that is 60,000. Carriage inward again comes 60,000. Inward 60,000. Now I want to tell you something about, if comes carriage inward, it moves in the trading account debit side, but if it comes carriage outward, so this will move in the profit and loss account debit side. Next is 10% bank loan and bank loan interest. So here bank loan is a liability, so remain on the credit side. Bank loan interest, when we pay interest on the bank loan, it becomes expense. So this is the expense, remain on the debit side, which will be passed to the profit and loss account debit side. Interest on bank loan with the amount 20,000, and bank loan, that is liability, amount 2 lakh, which will be shown on the liability side. Next is closing stock 40,000. Maximum time closing stocks comes in the adjustment, then the entry would be one will be on the trading account credit side and on the asset side of the balance sheet. But when it is given in trial balance, so only one entry you have to keep, that is on the asset side. Write down closing stock with the amount 40,000. And the last one is the office expense with 1,20,000, which will come on the profit and loss debit side. Office expense, that is 1,20,000. So here we finish with the third step. We finish up with the question, we finish adjustment, then all the trial balance entries. Now the fourth step for the solution, whatever calculation we did, take the calculation and remove the amount outside. In trading account we didn't found opening stock amount, so there was no amount. In the next entry, that is purchase 8 lakh minus purchase return, we didn't have any amount of purchase return, but the amount of goods going rather than sale. After the calculation get them minus, the amount came out, that is 7,55,500. Over here when you make a calculation, you will get answer 12,41,000. Next is over here in the profit and loss account, we didn't found any calculation related to the bad debt, so no amount will be written for this. Moving to the balance sheet, here also the calculation will be done, but after finishing profit and loss account, then only we will get the net profit or net loss, so we'll keep it pending. Over here no calculation was done, so take the amount outside. So here we remove all the amount in the amount column. Now we'll make a total of amount column. If I make a total, when I made a total of the debit side of the trading account and the credit side of the trading account, here I found that it comes 8,75,500 and over here 12,41,000. Obviously this amount is more, So keep both the amount on both the side, that is 12,41,000 as a total. 12,41,000. Now get this amount minus with the 8,75,000. Here I got the difference, that is 3,65,500. And when we get the difference over the trading account debit side, this we found gross profit, which will be passed on cross to the next account, that is profit and loss account. Gross profit 3,65,500. You don't forget to write this. Okay, now I'll make a total of profit and loss account. Here I found total of debit and credit of profit and loss account. This one is more, so write down 3,73,500 on both the side, and get it minus with 2,05,500, and I found the difference over here with the amount 1,68,000. And when we find difference on the debit side of the profit and loss account, this is net profit. Now this net profit will be kept in the capital account. If we found loss, we have to keep on the drawing side, but here we found net profit. So here I am going to write net profit. As we don't have any additional or interest on capital, so we didn't calculate over here. So here I am writing net profit with the amount 1,68,000. Now I'll show you the calculation. First we have to add capital, that is 3 lakh plus net profit. Here we'll find 4,68,000. As we didn't have any adjustment related to the additional of drawing or interest, so the drawing total is 18,000. Now 4,68,000 get minus with 18,000, you will get amount 4,50,000. Now after getting amount, take out the total of the liability side, that is 4,50,90 plus 2 lakh plus 30,000. You will get total 7,70,000. Same over here, 1,50,000 plus 40 plus 3 lakh plus 1,10,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000, 90,000 and 40,000. Here you got the total of 7,70,000. And when you get tally, it means your calculation is correct. So this is how you have to solve your trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet in sole proprietor form.